Not only are you right, I just want to add to this. JT probably doesn't know this, but I went to George Ross, Donald Trump's right-hand man, and I said, JT's 30 years old. George, why did you decide to work with JT when you don't work with anybody else?
Other than Donald Trump.
Other than Donald. And he actually said to me, he said, Damien, JT is the number one marketing person that I have ever met. He's 30 years old, and he's got a mind unlike I've ever seen before. And most importantly, for those of you that know who George Ross is, he's a very giving person with the children's charities. And he said, JT is a very giving person as well, and I want to be associated with people that give back to society. And when he heard that JT wanted to do a training, $5,000 training, and just invite you for it, that's never been done. I've never seen it ever in the industry, and I've been in it for 9 years now with all the competitors.
And at the end of the day, it's working because I have some of the most qualified radio listeners in the world. I have a mega brand all over the world now, but more importantly, I don't want to be known as a man who made $100 million. I want to be known as a man who helped 100 million people achieve their dream. Together, we are a lot stronger, but it can't happen unless you call. The lines are lining up, so Peter, Frank, Gianni, we're going to get to your phone calls. I apologize. There's a lot of phone calls coming in here. Call the phone number. You want a relationship with me? You want to attend the best class on marketing, my techniques, how to network like and with multimillionaires, anyone, because relationships are the key. You want to learn how to fund all your deals, all your business, all your real estate without using any of your money. I've never spent a dime of my money, and I've done over 500 deals, but you got to call the phone call, 416-870-6400 or star 640 on your cell. You won't pay me $5,000. I'm the only radio personality in the world who invests in his radio listeners. This could be the most important phone call of your life. You pick up the phone right now and let's build a relationship. Let's take your lives to the next level because we are going to make great things happen. I'm